maybes. Despite the expectations I exceeded, the game, my name, and the reputation that precedes it. Maybe I'm an idiot, maybe I'm a genius, but maybe I have what it takes to take him to the cleaners. Maybe I'm just talking shit, maybe I don't mean it. Maybe no one knows about it, maybe it's a secret. Maybe they called my bluff, maybe I just screened it. Maybe I'm an angel, maybe I'm a demon, I've been in the face lately where I keep just putting my world together just to break it into pieces. They hate me for my strengths and praise me for my weakness. What's a jewel if you ain't got somewhere safe where you can keep it? Maybe the odds aren't bad and it's the way that I perceive them. Maybe they are bad and I chase the pain because I need it. Maybe the pressure is too much, maybe I just feed it. Maybe there were times I thought I failed where I'd succeeded. Maybe I'm a lunatic, maybe I got reasons. Maybe I'm self-depreciative, maybe I'm conceited. Maybe I'm a bit of both, maybe I don't see it. Maybe I'm a realist, maybe I'm a dreamer. Maybe I'll fuck it all up, but maybe I'll redeem it. The revolution won't be televised, but maybe we can stream it. Maybe there's no way out the maze that I've been deep in, but maybe, just maybe I'ma reach it. Maybe.